body, a pony, a barbie, a body, a cat, okay, a children, crunch.
Yeah. Then what happened, Madeline?
Mommy.
Okay. Just a minute.
Two! A blow!